boo, a boo, a boo. Hey guys, this is your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And also the things hit me G.
Hey, one go dog.
To make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat.
Wagwan. It's your girl Janet. Welcome back to another vlog and another week. Please remember to like, share, comment. Always leave a comment and like. Yo, so today is Monday. How was your guys' weekend? Mine was amazing. I had so much fun, and that was in my last vlog. That was last week. And I'm gonna insert some clips because I didn't put everything because of the copyright. But if I can, I'll insert some more into this week's vlog. But so today is Monday and it's way down Monday. This is Monday afternoon. So I spend most of my day home because guess what? I think my agency, I don't know what's going on. Maybe they don't like the days that I've chosen because it's not in a block like from Monday to Wednesday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm only available to work Monday and Wednesday. So they gave me a job Sunday and I googled and everything, prepare myself and how to get to this place, and then chatting with my friend Nettie on the phone. 2 minutes. When I look, my job was cancelled. They cancelled on me. You know what? This is why I can't be bothered with them. Maybe I'll change the agency or something. But since lately it's been happening, my job is being cancelled all the time. I don't know what's going on, but what can I say? Anyway, so today what I did, I dropped my son to his school. Then I went for shopping. So this is if you're wondering, it's from T-Zone. Let me show you the package. I've got one left in here. It's the T-Zone charcoal pore strips to take out all that thing on my nose. Yeah, so I dropped my son, I went to shopping, and then I came home, and trust me, I've been sleeping all day. That show you it is what it is. My body is tired. My body is telling me to, rest. So I guess it worked out for good. And you know what? Wednesday, I'm not even giving up that I'm getting a job, but hopefully, who knows. So I didn't vlog anything Sunday because I didn't even really do anything, even when the weather was giving. it was given. So this is it. So I slept all day, so my body is well rested. So now it's about after 4. So I was sleeping from about 12 to now after 4. And then I got up and watched some vlogs and stuff like that because I'm supporting my friends like I want people to support me too. So, but guys, keep it running up, man. I need some more views and some more likes. Come on, help a girl out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to eat something and I'm going to put some washing on. I just have a little bit of washing, nothing much. It's my husband's football stuff. And I'm going to watch some catfish. I just like catfish. Who likes to watch catfish? Because I'm like, why is people giving out all this information? It's so crazy. I'm like, does people really do that, or is it a makeup story? I don't know. I'm a bit confused. So, because I'm like, is people so naive nowadays? But maybe. Because maybe they're just looking for friendship online. I don't know. It's so confusing, but guess what? I like watching it, so I'm not complaining. Just like I love TikTok. But I think I'm hearing that TikTok is closing down. I hope not, because I can binge watch TikTok all day, because there's different type of stuff on TikTok. I like TikTok. I don't know what's going on. I hope they don't close that down. You can close anything. Close something else, not YouTube, but something else. But TikTok, keep TikTok. I like it. TikTok. Anyway, you know what? That's my Monday. My Monday was boring. I didn't do much. I just rest. So, I may be just gonna find something to eat now and do my housework. Anyway, I'll see you when I check in. I might check in later. I might check in tomorrow. But you know, this girl will be always checking in and give you updates. Well, good morning, guys. So today is Tuesday. As you can see, I'm in the car. I've just dropped my son to school. It's like I'm his personal chauffeur, because this boy is running late to school every morning. And he's like, Mom, can you carry me to... You know what? If I'm there, I'll carry him, because next week is his final exam. So the boy think he's old now, so he doesn't really have to get up early. But it is what it is, because guess what? It's a rainy day in Britain today. Look outside. It's not nice, isn't it? Well. So I'm in the mall. I'm gonna run to the shop to see if I can get something. And then I'll make myself my butt back to home to prepare, because school is later. And they said later will be what? Greater. Anyway, let me skip through this rain and go in. Listen, yesterday I left one of my friend Lexus got stolen. Can you believe it? People is so deep. You work so hard to buy your car and then they steal it. And my mistake, I always lock, as you can see, lock my steering. But last night I left the window down. I don't know how, why, what I was thinking. I must be on my phone chatting or something. But the window was down. Luckily, when my husband was coming from work, he noticed it. Thank God. But the steering is locked, but they could have get in here anyway. But we don't really leave anything in here, so that was a lucky escape. But I'm gonna be more vigilant nowadays, because you know what? I don't want to steal my car and I'll be crying. Anyway, let me run. God, I didn't even know the range was closing down. Look, it's empty. There's nothing here. The shop is so empty. That's a shame.
Okay, so you're the lawyer that represents landlord housing? Yeah.
As you can see, I've been into the range and I didn't even know it was closing down. They have like a couple days left and the shop is empty. And when I said empty, I mean literally empty, with loads of staff. I feel it for the staff because I asked if they've been made redundant and they said most of them are. I can sympathize with them and feel their pain because I went through this last year. But you know what? Sometimes you're in a job, you're too comfortable. And when you make that big move, you achieve even more. So I mean, sometimes you have to just move on, but it's the shock that knowing that it's gonna take a time because they don't have anything to do. Oh my god, I can't believe this shop. But I saw online that I could get something, and the next one is far away. Well, let me just keep on moving. And look, I've got my hair came from AliExpress. I thought that it would have took longer, but somehow it came ready. I just need to pick it up from my friend, and then I'm considering should I do it myself as a DIY, or should I pay to get it done? Let's see. Anyway, let me keep driving. Hi guys. So as you can see, today is another day. It's a sunny day and no coat, and I'm walking through the park from the market because it's not that far. And you know, people in the park, they're enjoying themselves. Some people are playing tennis, some are sunbathing, although it's not that hot, but it's doing it for them, innit? So as you can see, I'm not working today, but it's alright because I'll be busy from tomorrow, and that's why I came to get everything done today. Let me give you a catch up yesterday. Yesterday I was so bright and Nuff. Where I go to school, everyone on the street, there are people asking, do you want to do your hair? Do you want to do your hair? So I took it upon myself to ask this lady how much to crochet my hair. I'm just inquiring the price. Hear what the woman say. The woman said £100 and up. I said, excuse me? I said crochet, not from the beginning, crochet. She said, yeah, that's the price. How much do you have? I said, never mind. She said, do you want me to give you my number? I said, yeah, go on. She give me my number, put it in the phone and then delete it. Because I don't know who she had talk about £100 and up to crochet. Crochet, you know. Is she not even braiding it from my hair? Crochet. She bright. Anyway, I'm gonna DIY it. Get my girl pal Nettie to do the cane rope or the rubber band, and then I'll do it myself. and I'll save quite a lot. Anyway, let me walk on my journey home because I need to try and do something when I go home. I'm trying to infill my toenails because it's summertime and the toes have to look summery. Look, the weather is weathering. Hi guys, so now it's like a couple days after, and as you can see, this girl is not well at all. Seems like I'm having the flu. You remember when I went out without a coat because it was sunny? No? I'm under the weather. I didn't even do much. I went to work, yeah, but geez, I was like struggling. So now I'm all stuffy, so I'm gonna use my trusty vapor rub and some whole Jamaican beer rum. I'm gonna drink some honey and lime, and I'm not gonna vlog anymore, so whatever clip I have, that's gonna be, so it's gonna be short. So hopefully I get better soon, so I'll see you next week.